Hi everybody, today we're going to do the KOH string test. So the theory behind this is that for the gram-negative bacteria, the KOH that we're going to use is going to break down the outer membrane and cell wall, and it will release DNA, and what that's going to do is make gram-negative sticky. With the gram-positive bacteria, however, you've got a thick peptidoglycan layer, so that's not going to break down. Therefore, gram-positive will be watery. So the first thing that you want to do is, as always, use good aseptic technique. So get your Bunsen burner going. And then what we're going to do is we will first start out by adding 1 drop of the 3% potassium hydroxide. So that's KOH. Just add 1 drop in there, and we'll start out by using the gram-positive first. So make sure you do a good job keep flaming your loop, as always. Let that cool a little bit. And our gram-positive today is Micrococcus luteus, and it's got a nice yellowy color to it. So for this particular experiment, this is one you really need to have a lot of bacteria. Normally I tell you don't have to have a lot, but in this case you want to make sure you have enough. So go in, get a nice amount of the bacteria, and then you're going to stick it into the KOH and basically get it suspended and basically start to go around in a circle and let it get in there really good. And what you're going to see when you do this is that the gram-positive just stays watery. So the bacteria just basically resuspends in it. When you get it all resuspended, then it's just going to remain watery. Now, for the gram-negative, however, when we do that one, we're going to expect that it's going to start to get sticky as soon as you start to mix it up. So, same idea. What we're going to wind up doing is adding 1 drop of the KOH to the slide. And then we'll take some of the gram-negative bacteria. In this case we have what's called Citrobacter furundi. Just make sure you get enough of this. And we'll put it into the KOH and do the same thing. Try to get it resuspended. And as we start to do this, what you should notice is that the bacteria is starting to get really sticky. If you notice, as I'm going around, it's sticking right to the loop. And then if you pull up, it will form a string that comes up. And that happens pretty quickly. So you notice how that sticks, so that's your gram-negative. And then let's just take a quick look again at the gram-positive. So even as you go this way, you see how that is kind of slimy. This one is watery. So think of it as it's like you're whipping up some eggs with that. And then this one just stays watery. It doesn't really follow around like the gram-negative did. Okay? And that's it for this experiment.